You don't need to spend 200k on a supercar to have fun driving. In fact, with something like this, cheap and sporty, you might actually have way more fun. Let's be honest here. You can push it without being scared. You can hear everything. I mean everything. Every gear shift, every pop, every vibration. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's raw and it's all yours. And honestly, that's probably all we need. Let's drive a bit so we can talk about it. Now, the first obvious important point is that you're not scared to drive this, okay? Really. This is a cheap car to own and to repair and to maintain. So just think about doing some minor damages to a supercar. That would be super expensive. And I don't know, I don't think I would be able to drive a supercar the same way I drive this, because I don't really care about damaging it. I mean, I do care obviously, but it's not going to break my economy. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not a millionaire, so any repair, oh, let's be careful with the birds. Any repair above 10k, it's going to hurt. And I think like with a car of those, that's really going to happen if you push it. So yeah, you are not scared to drive this thing. Another cool thing about these cars is that you feel everything. This is raw, old school, and it's all you want, really. I feel like in these modern supercars, everything is so well put together that you don't feel like you are actually driving the machine. Look at this. This is a Fiat 500 chassis, manual gearbox. You control everything. You push it if you want. You see? It's so fun. When you buy a car like this, you buy it all for yourself. Because let's be honest, you are not going to fit 4 people in this car with all of the baggage of them and so on. You're really not. And you also don't care about what other people think, because this is obviously not going to impress anyone. It's a cheap car. But you can drive it the way you want and you can have fun. Look at me just pushing the car in these lovely twisties. Here in Spain, I'm having the most fun. And I'm not worrying about my wallet, you know? This is all about you, really. This car just gives you what you need when you're going to go for a fun drive in the twisties. And I think that's absolutely lovely. A car like this teaches you how to drive. You don't have all of the electronic systems supercars have. You know, you have to know how to rev match, how to carry speed through corners, and overall really control the machine you're driving and not let the machine do everything for you. You know, maybe one day I'll own a supercar, but right now this cheap little car gives me everything I need. So I don't know guys, if you feel the same or do you own a car similar to this, let me know in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of content. Oh, the door. Because I upload a video every week and we are almost at 250 subs. So if you want to be part of this family, subscribe to see more. Thank you very much, guys.